Dumpster Rentals, Madison, Mississippi. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Madison, Mississippi? ATA Rental Services offers hassle-free waste management solutions to fit your needs. Whether tackling a home renovation or working on a large construction project, ATA Rental Services has the perfect dumpster for you. We handle projects of all sizes with ease. Timely delivery and pickup are at the core of our service. We ensure that your dumpster arrives on schedule and is picked up promptly after your project is complete. Proudly serving Madison, Mississippi, and surrounding areas, our locally owned company is committed to providing reliable, top-notch service. We have the right dumpster for any waste. Our expert team is here to guide you through the rental process and help you choose the right size dumpster for your project. We make the entire rental experience simple and stress-free. With ATA Rental Services, you can focus on your project while we dispose of waste. Let our team handle the workload for you. Ready for a dumpster? Call 601-920-9179 to book your rental with ATA Rental Services today. ATA Rental Services is the trusted choice for dumpster rental in Madison, Mississippi. We offer excellent customer care and hassle-free waste management.